Tell me what you do on a Sunday.
Very dirty.
I'm tired of all these Friday nights. And if we're through, I'll go my way. I'd like it if you stay a while. Just up in these sheets, the city and fall asleep. I'm just getting started with you. Roll me something sweet, you're tripping all over me. I can't get enough Sunday love, that's all I need. That's all I need. I can't get enough.
Hey everyone! Welcome back to another vlog! And today guys, ay pupunta lang kami sa mall. May mga kailangan lang kaming bilhin. Bibili ako ng another leggings ko kasi pag pupunta kami ng Banff, kailangan ko ng additional warmer. Kasi malamig pa rin doon. Unlike here na medyo sunny na siya. Okay na naka ano lang kami, naka hoodie lang kami. Pero doon wala, hindi pa rin maganda yung weather. Medyo sobrang malamig pa rin siya. So pupunta kami ngayon para lang bumili ng mga extra na gamit. Tapos kung titingin na rin kung anong pwedeng mabili.
At the traffic light, you select 290
Keep on asking why you never happy. Baby, don't be sorry, you know that shit ain't real. But I see God laughter, happy ever after. It's just another.
Pero wala nga lang itong tali. No? Ito, maganda oh. Kahit di mo planchahin ito eh. Mas mura to kaysa sa Uniqlo. Ay, iba naman to. Parang yung ano ko to. Parang yung blazer ko to ah. Ganda nito malo. Kaso, paano ko to lalabhan? 45 long. Ganda ng tela oh. Siguro hand wash lang to. Ano? 79 din ito eh. Mas maganda yung pantalon ng Uniqlo.
Crashing in the house that night, pouring in the new escapes, longing for what you can't explain. Tell me what you won't say when it's all in the yesterdays. So we beat our boats away past the current, on ceaselessly in a wild mistake.
Ayan o. Lang.
Crash like a pilot. Tell me what to do like summer. Have it all like I give it up like oh baby you're an island. So let me catch you like a pilot. Tell me what to do like summer. We could have it all like I give it up like I give it up like.
Ganda. Ganda. 32. Ha? Punta ka na. Open.
Yeah, that's right.
32.
Got my key in the door. I can't help thinking you'll be there. Oh, I keep falling back, acting so damn insecure. Don't get me wrong, when I wake in the morning, all of these feelings are gone. Why are you here in the back of my mind? Maybe I just need somebody that you feel the space, you know how to do it just right. Maybe I don't really feel, cause this desire's only shallow, and I'm a mess alone, but when I'm on my own, and maybe
May nakita ko doon na block pero walang kapitan. Pero mahal na 25. Magkanong 25 sa Canadian? Ay sa USD. Para mga 15. 17. Ganun. Kunin ko na lang ito. Para mas organize yung mga gamit ko pag nagda-travel. Tara. Yung ipit lang naman ang pinunta natin dito. Nasa yung ipit ni mother mo.
8 a.m. I couldn't fall asleep again. Been overthinking all the little things I've said. I'm sleep deprived almost every night, and I wish that I would think instead. I know there's something I got things to do, but I don't think
Okay na siguro yung apat.
Walay kami. When I go back to the dreams again, but I shouldn't be sleeping when
Kailangan na.
I'm still right now, and I'm stuck in my bed.
Dala. Walo.
And I'm stuck in my head, 'cause I think it's just not all on my own, and I should make my way out.
Ganda rin naman. Parang magaan siya. We are back in the car,
And we're
guys.
finally going to Galaxy Land, guys. And you know what? You want to know something? Tito Mac is afraid to face his
Starting route to West Kensington
Nilaglag ka, mahal.
Yeah, you're not gonna go with me. I'm gonna do that.
Turn right on
So you're gonna do it alone?
Yeah. Also, guys, like and subscribe, or else she'll come into your room and fart on you like she did last night. Tito Mac, Tito Mac, Tito Mac. We have proof. We have proof. We have proof.
Of what?
That she farted on us. Because she's like, I'm gonna twerk, and then she got on the bed. And she farted, and then I got my fan and I started doing this, and then Tito Mac stole it from me. He said, I need air too, clean air.
Clean air. Ang bilis-bilis mo magsalita. Tika na namin naintindihan. She's saying that, what's your height?
I am 4'6", and my classmate is 3'4",
Uh-huh.
and I laughed so hard because I know he was like, compared to me, he's this small.
Mm-hmm.
So I thought, oh, maybe he's like 4'1" or like 4 flats or something. And then he said, oh, I'm 3'4", and I'm in shock. So I told Tita, and then she said, oh, he's probably 8. So I said, oh, maybe he's gonna get his growth spurt soon. And she asked me what growth spurt is. So
What is a growth spurt? Tito
A
Mac, she's explain about growth spurt.
a growth spurt is when you're like really short and then you get taller. For example, with boys, right now they're really short, but eventually when they get older, they're gonna be taller than us.
Mm-hmm. That's growth spurt.
Yeah. Explanation.
Mm-hmm. Ang arte-arte. Oh, here! What do you wanna ride?
Big swing first.
Wala na ang ante mo. Oh, look! We're running out of time! Mag-line ka na dyan! Ang tananing! What if you will be alone? Tananing! Mag-isa mo dyan nasasakay. Oh, lolo! Very happy! Taas mo! You pull it up! Tanggalin mo muna yung lock sa gitna! On the lower part! Malain na talaga.
Just my love, but my first one. Not just someone that I've learned from, but somebody that I want to be with. You can't be mine on your own time, but if you wanna try.
Attention all Galaxyland guests. Galaxyland will
How was
be
it?
in 15 minutes. Please begin making your way to the only remaining exit, the main gate located.
Right now we are shopping. Right now we're shopping for our pasalubong, which this is so cute. Wait, all these plates. I mean, there's so much like Canada stuff right here. Look at all that. Anyway, Tito Mac. Okay, Tito Mac.
5.
You saw that old burger, right? Want to ride it? Still? Wow.
Still no deal.
See guys, he's afraid to face his fear. Oh, these hats.
Oh, maganda to ah.
Which, oh, this is cute. It's like a, it's like cute. That's cute. There's even a Canada flag over there. Those bears are super.
Ito dancing bear.
Para saan to?
Sa sasakyan.
Ito, Mom, you want the dancing bear?
Stop running. Ang cute niya, no? Huwag ka na daw bumili ng mga stuff mo kasi nagkakalat ka naman. Tananing, can you help me here?
Sure, what?
I like this one. Uy, bagay mo rin yung ganito. Gusto mo magganito ka rin? What color do you want? Do you want the daisy? Uy, parehas tayo. Then you will have the black.
Yeah.
You like this one? Or gusto mo yung red na daisy?
Black. Much better.
Twinning tayo. Pupunta tayo sa bond.
Look at these mirrors where I can see my beautiful face in.
Kiti-kiti garud. Ang dami niyang energy. Tapos mamaya mag-snore na naman siya. Ano to? Ah, okay. Anta naning, wag magulo. Ay, nyakit di day to yan.
I want a happy birthday thing,
Huwag kang
guys.
maggaganyan. Kung hindi mo bibili. Anta naning, mag-behave. Kapag nasa public place. Ano yan?
It was an accident.
Tiklagit to. Mata na ito.
Guys, see, she's so mean.
You are weird.
Come on.
I don't want to go with you if you act like that.
See?
Go alone.
What is this? I didn't get two.
That's mine.
You show up at my door with some coffee and croissants. Went to my favorite store, cause you can tell it's what I want. I can't imagine more. It's been a dream and far beyond. Well, so then what am I so nervous for? Cause when it's good, just really good, then it should be too good. I know that there
What's that? How do you read that?
but then you go and what you say.
Model with the support.
But I get scared to say, yeah, definitely, baby. Almost as if someone's writing a screenplay to my life, dressing it up for fun. All of the main character lines.
Uwi na kami guys. I mean, magja-Jollibee muna kami kasi gutom na kami. And then nung kasama din namin is gutom lagi. And tired na daw ang feet. Kaya yun.
No, my feet are dead, not tired.
So it's different.
Yes, when you're dead, your feet won't get back, okay? But when you're tired, your feet will eventually get back, okay? My feet are dead.
Ang arti-arti.
Also, we got
Gongcha. Gongcha milk tea.
and we also went to Old Navy to buy sandals.
She bought a lot. May sandal siya. May kung ano-ano pa. Nag-Galaxy Land pa siya.
Yeah, but we only got to ride one ride because Galaxy Land closed in 30 minutes after.
Yeah. 5 p.m. pala sila nagko-close.
Yung
Sometimes.
Galaxy Land.
Like 6, 5, or 7. they close.
Galaxy.
Yeah.
Wake up this morning, make the mistake of turning on the TV. Nothing but bad news, empty avenues rolling
That's her
on the
favorite.
screen.
The jolly spaghetti.
Walk to the kitchen.
Di pa nag-pray
I make
yan.
myself a cup of coffee. Wave at the old man, get into something on his balcony. Oh, yeah, we both have been stuck in our apartments for 2 months too long. We don't even get along, but the world just fell apart straight out of the blue. So in my mind I whisper ciao and I take myself to Tuscany, Italy, riding on a Vespa in a sunflower field. Yeah, warm wind blowing and birds are singing in cypress trees. Tuscany, Italy, eating carbonara and reading Machiavelli while the world ends. That's where I will be. Go back to my room, the laptop to join a work call. I don't think Karen knows that she's wearing her sweatshirt inside out. Oh, water on my plants.
Hey everyone! Thank you so much at narating nyo na naman po ang part ng ating video na magsha-shoutout lang ako sa mga nag-comment po sa ating vlog or video na paycheck versus cost of living as a nurse here in the USA. So, kung gusto nyong magkaroon ng konting idea when it comes to your paycheck, yung salary na makukuha ninyo, and the cost of living, you might want to check this video para alam nyo yung madadatnan nyo dito. And mind you guys, if your rate is higher, expect that the cost of living is higher as well. So, parang ganun lang din siya. So, shout out kila Gwen RN, Joseph Benedict Tobianosa, Rona May Balagosa, Nurse Dimple, Kenny Mandalupa, Crystal Sheena Tuela, Nurse MJ, Christine Joy Abellana, Angeline Donasco, Wilaine Dionora. Shout out din kay Ira D, kay Sydney, kay Rids RN, Pamela Cordero, YCM. Shout out din kay Nutriban Channel, kay Zane Neutron, Christine F, Micaela Pine, and then shout out din kay Jos Lago, Gladys Carol Esteban, J. De La Paz JD, Daisy Ray, Roach, Macy Magala, Grace, Patricia Pinheiro, Desi RN, It's Carmi, Gagay, 60th 1C, and then kay Filipina Living in USA, Zane Neutron Maulit. Shout out din kay Leo Visita Jimenez, Ella Enchanted, Ibrahim Hailil, Madeline Salvador, Ronnie Caberto, Celestres Channel, Maria Miani Raceles, Christopher Pastelero, Wayne R, Michael Official, and that's all. Ayan. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I hope nag-enjoy po kayo sa video na to. And I hope may natutunan pa rin naman kayo kahit konti. Yun naman talaga yung gusto natin eh. Yung lagi tayong may take away sa mga videos na kahit sa isang napakaliit na part ng video, yung sana may matutunan kayo or sana na-inspire kayo in some way sa video na to guys. So, thank you so much everyone, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please do subscribe, and if you haven't followed me yet on my Instagram and on my Facebook, the name is JoyOfMia, and I'll talk to you guys on my next one.
Bye! Tuscany, Italy, riding on a Vespa in a sunflower field, yeah, warm wind blowing and birds are singing in cypress trees.